Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well, and if you're new, it's Maricel here and welcome. So it's another cooking vlog. If you have a bacon or even ham, egg, cheese, and bread at home, this will be a perfect breakfast for you. So today I would love to share with you one of my favorite breakfasts to have. It's called a one pan egg sandwich. I know many of you knows how to make this, but if you want to see how I made mine, come and cook with me. Alright love, so here are the ingredients. We need salt and pepper to taste. We also need eggs. I end up using 6 pieces of eggs. And we also need a salted butter. And we also need bacon. If you have ham, that's also good. And we need milk and a butter bread. I use any bread you can use. I use 3 slices and then I cut it into halves. Okay, let's get started. Alright, loves, it's taste time. Here it is. Let's see. It's just at least a different sandwich or toast that you can have for breakfast. You can also use with ham in this. It's very yummy. I hope you will try this at home, mga loves. If you like and learn from this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I will see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah. Oh, coffee time. Of course, coffee is life. Bye now.